Hey guys, today's video is a RAE DUNN haul and a couple other little things, but I know a lot of you really like RAE DUNN, and whenever I haul RAE DUNN stuff, I get comments from some of you who are collectors as well. My two aunts who live in New Jersey came to visit this weekend, and they brought me a housewarming gift. I'm gonna insert a picture of this amazing gift that they gave me. It was a gift basket full of RAE DUNN stuff. So I thought I would haul it for you guys in case you are interested, and everything they got is from HomeGoods or TJ Maxx or Marshalls. The first thing that was in the basket are these planter pots and the little dish that they sit on. The herbs that are in them are not the correct herbs. The basil is right, but the other ones aren't. So I'm so happy they got them for me. They called my dad and had him open up the box that they sent me, and they had him like put the herbs already in it, so it was good to go when they got here. I was so excited to have some fresh herbs and really cute little planters. The next item that they got me is this Good Dog jar. They even put some treats in it already for Chip. I already have the larger jar that says Bark on it with the crown top. So this is gonna look really cute sitting next to it since it's a different size and a little bit of a different style. They also got me this dog bowl. It says Good Dog in the inside and it has the bone on the outside. I also have RAE DUNN dog bowls already for Chip, but they said that they got me this to use as like an outdoor water bowl for Chip. So I think that's a really good idea. We do have one for him already, but it's just like a cheap dollar store one. So it's I feel kind of bad and bougie now that I have a RAE DUNN bowl that is just dedicated to the outside. Just in time for the 4th of July, they also got me this little dish that has the fireworks, the flag, and the stars, and I think it's adorable. I will use this all summer long. They also got me different kinds of M&Ms to put in here that are 4th of July colored, which I thought was so cute. They are seriously so thoughtful. You guys, my aunts are literal goals. My aunts are like the best, and I don't know, I'm just so thankful. They also got me this little cheese cutting or cheese board set. It has the little cheese board that has the different kinds of cheeses, and then it also has the little knife, the cheese knife, and it's such a cute little set. I actually don't have anything like this at all, like not from RAE DUNN, not from any other brand, and I have recently been hosting so much. Like, I've had friends over, I've had girls' nights, I've had parties here, I had Father's Day here, family get-togethers, and so this is gonna be so perfect to have in my kitchen arsenal. They also got me this really adorable spoon rest. I actually didn't have a spoon rest at all either, and it has this really pretty like burgundy colored flower on it. I love burgundy for year round. I think you can wear, like, as far as seasonal colors go, I feel like burgundy and olive, they are like kind of fall colors or like colder weather colors, but you can also incorporate them for spring and summer too. So I'm so happy they picked this out because, like I said, I can use this year round. The next item that they got me is this really cute board. I would say this is a serving board. I probably wouldn't use this to like maybe cut on or even roll on, but it does have the rolling pin that says roll, and it's adorable, and I can never have enough serving pieces. Like I said, I've been hosting so many different little things, and I can always use something like this because I am a little bit extra like when it comes to people coming over. Like, I want to have the cutest little displays, I want to go above and beyond, and I love just cute little things like this to put my food and stuff on, so that, I don't know, just so it looks pretty and extra, like I said. The next thing that they got me in the last RAE DUNN piece is this set of Melamine Cups. They say quench, gulp, sip, and slurp. They are so cute. They look like milkshake, like old school milkshake or root beer float glasses, and I am so obsessed with them. My aunt says that she has them and she uses them all the time because she has a pool, so she'll take them out and, you know, outside because they are not breakable And yeah, I am so obsessed with these. I don't have anything like this. I didn't even know that RAE DUNN made cups. And I have seen a few melamine things from RAE DUNN, but not a whole lot. So I was really excited to add this in my collection. My dad actually just stopped by like 10 minutes ago and surprised me with a few outdoor chairs that he found on sale at a Kroger that are really cute. So maybe I'll insert a picture at the end, but now I have glasses that I can take out there and sit in the sun, even though it is way too hot right now. It is literally a heat index of like 108 here in Ohio, so let me know. I know there's a heat wave across the country. Let me know how warm it is where you are. Like, I feel like I'm back in Arizona, but even worse because it's humid and sticky here, and it's gross. But I could sit outside with a cold glass of a beverage if I want with my new cups. So the last items that they got me are dish towels, and I love this one. It says live every day like it's Taco Tuesday, and it has the white towel and just a really pretty like non-offensive orange towel underneath that I will definitely use during the fall. So I really love these. So these are the other two sets of dish towels that they got me. They're just white with gray stripes. I think this one is from At Home, and this one maybe as well. They're just very simple and, you know, straightforward, just the way that I like my dish towel. And everything came so beautifully placed in this burlap and chicken wire basket, which came from At Home. So that is my RAE DUNN haul for you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, everything is from TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Marshalls, and I don't really know the pricing of this stuff because obviously they took the pricing off, but in general, I've seen things from RAE DUNN be between like $4.99 and $16.99, something like that. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already. I do want to say a thank you to those of you who have continued to support my channel, whether you're new or old. It means so much to me, and I don't think that I say it enough, and so I want to make sure to remind you guys in every single video. So thank you so much again, and hopefully I will see you back in another video. Bye guys.